Again, can we first listen about the call? So, his call came in form of a what? A dialogue. Dialogue is whereby you are speaking to someone else face to face, right? It came in form of a dialogue, and he was talking to God, right? And God told him that he had known about him before he was conceived in his mother's what? Womb. And that he had appointed him, he had consecrated him to become a prophet of a nation. But Jeremiah resisted. First he resisted. He said he did not know how to do what? To speak. And he said he was also what? Young. So what God told him, he told him that he is going to do what? To protect him. He was going to protect him, and he was going to put words in his mouth. He was going to protect him and put words in his mouth. What he did is he touched his lips to symbolize that he had put words in what? In his mouth. That is all you are supposed to know. Now, when you are talking about his call, you have to know. During his call, there were two visions. The ones that I've told you not to read. He experienced two visions. Number one, there was the branch of the almond tree. And the second vision was a boiling pot facing away from what? North. Facing away from the north. The boiling pot facing away from the north symbolized that there will be a nation from the north that was going to destroy Judah. And this is which nation? Yes? The nation that was going to the Babylon, right? Yes, a nation from the north was going to destroy them, and this was what? Judah. And then a branch of almond tree, it symbolized that after they received the message from the prophet, they were already ready to receive the what? The punishment. So always start with the branch of the almond tree. It means that they were ready to receive the what? The punishment. That is the destruction of the what? Of Judah. And then the boiling pot facing away, it means that the nation was going to conquer them. And that is Babylon.